Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. It's super simple, and yeah, it can save you a lot of time if you're building multiple similar pages. First, sign in to your Google account and open the Google Sites project where you want to duplicate a page. Make sure you're on the main editor view, where all your pages are listed. Next, in the left sidebar, find the page you want to duplicate. Hover over it, click the three-dot menu, and select Duplicate Page. Google Sites will create a copy right away, usually with copy of prefixed to the page name. After that, you can rename the duplicated page if you like. Just click the new page name and type whatever fits your site structure. It's flexible. You can move it around in the sidebar if you need to reorder. And that's basically it. You can now edit the duplicated page independently without affecting the original. So it's a quick way to replicate layouts or sections across your site. All right, that's all there is to duplicating a page in Google Sites. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Sites tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.